My name is Rick Brown. I am the CEO of MarketStorm AI. We are a company that does artificial intelligence and targets customers and consumers for home service brands all over the country. And I have to tell you, we've been doing that for like 6 or 7 years, and we always had a website that we had built that was okay. And in the last 6 months or a year, we decided to work with our friends at Relentless Digital because of the great work we had seen them do for some of our mutual clients. And they offered to do our website and our SEO, and I have to tell you, they've done an absolutely phenomenal job. They completely rebuilt our website. They made it exactly kind of what we were dreaming of. They helped us with SEO so that people are beginning to find us. People are searching for things around AI or programmatic or targeting, and they're finding MarketStorm. And I can't tell you what a thrill that is, because prior to that, we were always working with a lot of clients, and the only people that ever even went to our website really were our current clients, checking out any backstory on what we could do for them. And so when Relentless took over our website and began doing our SEO, we started getting calls from people that we didn't know. We started seeing people searching for us. We started seeing a surge in traffic to our website. It has been a phenomenal choice for us to work with them. And I cannot encourage you enough. If you're thinking about choosing someone to work on your website, to help you build your brand, to work on your SEO and your business profiles, things, all those types of things, Relentless is a phenomenal partner. They have been a game changer for us. And the people are incredible too. Josh and Brittany and the whole squad over there at Relentless have been incredible to work with. They're kind, they're hardworking, they follow up, they are detail oriented, and they see the big picture and help you get it done. And so I cannot encourage you enough. If you're thinking about working with Relentless Digital, that's a very good choice. And I would encourage you. I think it's going to pay you dividends, and also it'll be a pleasure for you as well. So thank you so much, Josh, Brittany, Relentless team, everyone here at MarketStorm loves you guys and is so appreciative of what you've done for us. And we hope to continue to work with you for years to come. Thanks again.